Oh my god, it's massive! In this 90-second knowledge video, we're going to take a look at image file sizes. Big or small, every improvement helps, so why not subscribe? Why not hit the alert button too to get our latest video straight away? We've spoken in other videos about image file types, dimensions, size, and their impact on how quickly your website loads, conversion rate, and the potential waste of marketing spend. By saving images with the right proportions and managing the quality, you can reduce the file size and improve the load speed of your web pages. If you haven't seen it already, check out our video showing you how to find an image's dimensions and how big they should actually be. The link's in the description. This is arguably one of the biggest improvements any business can make quickly and easily to improve load time and conversion rate. To help you get this sorted, we've created a tool to resize and compress images for you. So let's get 90 seconds on the clock and see how to compress your images. First, you need to get a copy of the image you need to resize and know the dimensions that it needs to be. In this case, we're resizing a picture of a trophy on a very important landing page, as we know someone has used an image which is 2,500 pixels wide and over 300 kilobytes in size. We also know that the space it fits into is 238 pixels wide on desktop, but importantly on a mobile the image is 388 pixels, so we need to resize it to the bigger measurement to avoid low quality on mobile. If you're resizing an image from the web, right click and choose Save As to save the image. Now head over to our image resizer. It's under the free tools menu and we've added a link to that in the description too. Drag and drop your image file onto the box. When the file name appears below the box, hit process. You'll now see a few options. We have some predefined image widths, boxes for you to type in the right width or height you need, and an image quality box. Select or type the width you need. The height will be calculated automatically. Set the quality and hit resize. You'll be shown your resized image, its new file size, and a button to download your image. Our trophy image is now the right size and around 7 kilobytes. If you're happy, hit the download button and your image will be saved for you to use online. If the quality isn't quite right, just re-upload and start again. Bish bash bosh. That's how you compress images and make them the right size to keep your website running super fast. As we mentioned in the video, always check how your images appear across desktop and mobile devices. Some websites may even let you add different images specifically for mobile and desktop devices. It's best to compress them as you need to, when uploading them for the first time too. That way you don't need to go back and do it afterwards, as this can impact your SEO. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share DO Digital. Plus join us again soon for more practical digital marketing advice to help your business grow.